Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common plumbing task, replacing a tired old utility sink faucet. A leaky or malfunctioning faucet can be a real nuisance, so let's get you washing buckets and mops with ease again. Turn off the water supply valves beneath your sink. Usually, these are located directly below the hot and cold water lines connected to your faucet. If you have any trouble locating them, consult your sink or faucet manual. Now, let's get started. Place the bucket under the faucet to catch any drips. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the nuts connecting the hot and cold water supply lines to the old faucet. Lefty-loosey. There might be a mounting nut holding the faucet in place from underneath the sink. Use another wrench to loosen and remove that too. Once the connections are loose, carefully lift the faucet from the sink. Inspect the old mounting hardware for signs of wear or damage. You might want to replace these with the new ones included with your faucet. Thread the mounting shank of the new faucet through the sink hole from underneath the sink. Place the mounting nut and tighten it with your wrench, ensuring a snug but not over-tightened fit. Wrap 2-3 layers of plumber's tape around the threads of each new supply line coming from the faucet. Screw the supply lines onto the shut-off valves beneath the sink. Tighten them further with your wrenches, but be careful not to over-tighten and crack the valves. Turn on the water supply valves slowly. Check for leaks at all connection points, especially around the faucet base and supply lines. If you see leaks, tighten the connections slightly with the wrenches. Be mindful not to over-tighten. For stubborn leaks, you might need to replace the washers on the supply lines. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your utility sink faucet. Bonus tip: if your new faucet comes with a sprayer attachment, follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, leave a thumbs up below. And if you're tackling other plumbing projects, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.